If I had to start my MS journey again today for fall 2026, I would not do the things that the way I did them before in 2022. There are mistakes that I made, opportunities that I missed, and money that I wasted. And if you are planning for 2026, I don't want you to repeat any of that. So today, I will tell you exactly what I would do step by step. I know this confusion. Which country, which course, how much money, which university. Everyone gives random advice. So let's cut all the noise before. If 2026 was my year, I would do this exact blueprint that I would follow. The biggest mistake students make is choosing the country first. Canada, USA, UK, Germany, Ireland, Australia, Japan, etc. But first decide the career you want after your MS. If you want to get into tech jobs, go to USA. If you want to get PR faster, go to Canada. If you want cheap education, go to Germany. If you want business plus global exposure, go to UK. Why am I saying this? As your MS is not a vacation. It's a heavy investment, literally heavy investment, because you need to pour down 40 to 50 lakhs on your MS degree. If I had to choose in 2026, I would go for one of these: data, AI or ML, cybersecurity, cloud, robotics, product management. If I had some experience previously, this will be strong in the 2026 job market. And I won't choose any random degree like engineering management unless I have clarity in my career. The biggest regret that I have after doing my MS is I didn't build enough skills before reaching the USA. If I had to do it again, I would spend 6 months building 3 skills. One technical skill that I will be proud of, one project that I can communicate properly, one communication or documentation skill. This literally gives me a lot of confidence and will help me in finding a lot of internships. And a tip, your skill matters more than your GPA. For fall 2026, I would shortlist my dream universities at a 2, target university as 4, safe university as 2. There will be no drama and no sending 15 applications and wasting money. And I will literally check 3 things only: job outcomes, location, internship opportunities. Because rankings doesn't give you a job, opportunities do. I wish I planned money better. If I could redo for 2026, I would save at least 3 months of expenses before even flying. And I would never depend fully on my part-time jobs. Because part-time job is not guaranteed anymore. And especially in big cities where competition is very insane. Okay, now the surprise time. I'm giving you a free 2026 PDF that includes the timeline, skill checklist, university's shortlist template, budget planner, comment 2026 plan, and I will send it to you. This will save you weeks of confusion. If I had to redo the journey, I would start preparing for my visa questions right after I get my admits. Because many students get the admits but lose the confidence as soon as they reach the window. Because the story must be clear and how you communicate really matters a lot. If I could tell my old self one thing, it would be: it's not easy, it's not predictable, but it will be totally worth it. There will be homesickness, there will be money pressure, there will be job stress, but that is how you grow in life and that's how you become strong. I made the mistake of waiting. If 2026 was my year, I would start preparing for internship the moment that I land. LinkedIn, resume, projects, communication, everything. And it would be better if you start early before even landing here. If I had to start again, I will literally talk to seniors, alumni, professors from the first month. One connection can get you an internship, one mentor can change your confidence level as well. This country will test you, but it will also change you. If I could redo my MS journey, I would plan smarter, save money, learn earlier, and trust the process. And I want you to do the same without fear and without any confusion. And I am here if you want some. And if this video helped you a little bit, please subscribe. It motivates me to make more videos like this. And comment 2026 plan if you want a free MS 2026 blueprint. Also tell me what stage of planning are you in right now. I reply to every comment personally. This is CK Chandukongara signing off.